Hey guys, it's Hannah here and I am back with another video, and this time it's time to unbox the December Little Bits box. Now it's taken quite a while to get here, but it's finally here and it's filled with rainbow colorful goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't tell you how excited I've been for this box. It's just so much cuteness. Okay, so let's just get it open. I can't wait any longer. I've waited enough due to all the postal services and customs and everything. You know, it's always a struggle having to wait, but it's always worth it once I do receive it. So here we go. Oh my gosh, look at this color. I love that Lhey has brought back all of these fun things. Makes it a party in the box, according to me. Here is the kind of journaling card, and it's so cute. So it is on a kind of pastel yellow background with a paintbrush with rainbow paint. Don't you wish that was a thing? You bring color into my life. Also rainbow. So cute. I love this one. And on the back here we have the contents of the box as well as the link for downloading you know, the digital files, and this box is called Be Happy, which makes sense because all of the rainbow colors are sure very happy. Okay, so let's just get it open. So it's now packaged, as you've seen the past months or two. Oh gosh, it's falling out. Okay, so, oh, it's everywhere. That's the bad thing, but it's always very fun. Makes it a very fun unboxing. Okay, so I think I got it all back inside the box there. So here we have the actual little wallpaper bag, which is it's packaged in. Lovely sticker, it says yay. And yeah, let's get it out. So here we go. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got everything out, as you can see. And here everything is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, it's so much goodness. Okay, so first I'm just gonna take the thing I'm holding here. It's the pen of the month, which is a gorgeous kind of rainbow mixed crystals inside. We have like turquoise, we have reds, orange, pinks, purples, I think. Super pretty. It is a custom-made pen. You can see it has the Mommy Lhey logo there. Also has this little jewel here, which is a kind of peachy pink color, I think. And yeah, it's a twist ballpoint just like that. I love the custom-made pens. I think that makes the box just even more special the more custom-made things you have. So I really like these, and crystal pens are among my favorites. So we also have the washi here. And oh my goodness, it is so rainbowy and cute, and I have to get it out. So it's like a bunch of quotes in rainbow foiling, as well as cute little characters and, you know, doodles and stuff on a rainbow background. So it's like a rainbow background as well as rainbow foiling. That's pretty amazing, don't you think? Alright, so we also have the sticky notes here, and these are so cute. I love these. Ugh, plastic everywhere. Okay, so there's a background here, but they're not attached to the background. But it's really pretty. I love the rainbow. So cute. And these are the notes. So once again, it's also rainbow foiled. And so it's actually from the bottom. Oh, that's cool. I don't think I've had sticky notes like this. But, I mean, because it says notes here, it kind of has to make the foiling stick, I think. So these are really cute, but I also get some good amount of space to write on there. And this little girl is adorable. I love these. So then we have the stamps, the mini stamp set of the month, and it's almost the same background as this, a little bit of different coloring. Either way, or maybe I should use these as a background so you can see better. So we have some floral arrangements, a super cute little girl. I love her like heart glasses, super cute, and then some quotes, and also like some. It looks like there's some pens and also I think watercolors, like a pad, ink pad maybe. That's really nice. Okay, so this is a notebook. I think this one goes into the TN though, which we have later on, I guess. So I also love that we get kind of a custom-made notebook. I think these are like regular 80 GSM paper, but they're all white and blank, and I really like that. And like I said, I really like that the notebook is blank. Oh, maybe I should go this way, so it's like a rainbow. So when you open it, it's like that. Yeah, I think so. Oh yes! Oh my goodness, this might be my favorite thing in the box. I've just been so excited for this. It's the paper clip. Look at that. I once again love her like puffy, jelly, like rubbery clips. I don't know what you call them. But this one is once again like a floral arrangement on a kind of copper paperclip. But yeah, I love these colors, and I don't have a specific plan as of now what I'm gonna use all of this for. I have some ideas. I think I might save it for spring or summer because it's so colorful, and right now, like in the middle of winter, I'm not feeling these brights as much as I think I will during the sunnier times of year. So we have the, also once again, rubbery, this is the charm. This is so cute. It's a little rainbow. I love the clouds, and they're like little faces. That's adorable. And also this is a white ball chain. Usually it's a metallic, so it's interesting that it's white, I think. And we have the die cuts, one of my very favorite items always. We have, I feel like, I don't know if I prefer that all the backgrounds are the same, because I feel like a lot of times you can use, you know, the backing of all the items to create different stuff, like in your planner or scrapbooking, but when they're all the same, you get a lot of the same. But I mean, I do love these colors, so I don't really mind, I guess. Either way, so maybe I should have kept that one here so I can kind of sort them out. Something I love with the die cuts now is that they're foiled, which is awesome. And they're printed on like a thick cardstock. So here we have a little girl. Oh my gosh, she's wearing like bear ears, or maybe like Disney ears. That's really popular right now. Super cute. Have another little girl with the ears. We also have a girl that's planning or drawing, I think, actually. Have a little bow here with some foiling. I love this one. Here we have some, ooh, yes, some tabs. We have today, plans. All of this is rainbow foil too. This one is #now. We have some little, oh, these are really tiny. 2 little tiny rainbow hearts. We have this here, the crayons. Oh my gosh, it says hello. I love this one. That's so cute. Then we have one here. Best day ever. Oh my gosh, a little cake pop. I love this one. It's so cute. We have the little brush. It's also foiled, actually. The 3 stripes there, you might see. This one is an ice cream cone. Yay! Be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. Love that. Friday, all foiled. Little cup. Some paint and a brush. Here it says super. Ooh, I love this one. It's a lemon. Hooray! It's very summery to me. Stay sparkling. Choose joy. And this one is sparkle. I love this one. And we have the little rainbow with the clouds again. Some flower arrangements. And this tag that says sparkle on. That's very nice. I do love these die cuts. And I love that they're foiled too. It makes them feel so special. We also have the stickers here with the newer format. Gosh, I feel like these are even bigger than they've been. I do like the new format. Well, especially I love the new paper because it's more, ooh, this is a big backing. They're on matte, so they're easier to write on if you want to, and that they're thinner. I've said that before. But here we have like deco, this big cheers one, also with the rainbow foiling, which means that every single thing that's foiled, it's different because, you know, they have like this rainbow foil paper, and then when they take it off, it differs depending on where on the page it is. Then we have some really nice circle icons, and we have some more deco. Oh, there's nice tags and some girls. The date dots, ooh, these are huge. That's awesome. And we also have the days of the week. And ooh, full boxes. Oh, I hope these are Erin Condren sized because that would be amazing. And some more words here and some flags. Oh, look, there's even a Mommy Lhey little bits one. That's awesome. I can use that for like filming like when I receive my little bits box and I have to film an unboxing or when I edit it and everything. That's awesome. I love these rainbow, you know, days of the week and date dots or hearts in this case. They're so functional. I love that we get 2 sets in each sticker kit because I usually use one sticker kit for more than 1 week. So yeah, and here we have some more little like goodies. These are hexagons, I think they're called, and some flags. And was that it? No, this is the last one. So here we have a lot of beautiful deco. I just love these colors so much. Like this kit really is happy, and I know that once I feel like once it fits my planner setup I have, like usually I think for summer I'm gonna be so glad that I have this, because this is gonna be so awesome. I love these stickers. I feel like you get a lot more because they're bigger. I don't know if that's the case, but I do like this new format, like I've said. Okay, so we do have another sticker here, but it's clear stickers, and I think I'm gonna have to... Sorry, sometimes my phone goes off. So they're completely clear, as you can see, so I might have to keep them on the background here. But we have this little girl. It's a bunch of the deco that you've seen previously in die cuts or stickers, but just in clear version. Clear stickers can be really functional for certain things, and I don't use them as much as I think I should, but once I have a need for them, I'm really glad to have them, so yeah. Okay, so then we have, oh my gosh! Whoa! I have to get this open. This is the pouch of the month, and I like it a lot. That clear, sorry, that Lhey has made clear pouches, and also that she's trying out different sizes. Wow! Look at all that glitter. It just floats in here. Whoa! That's amazing. So it's a bunch of glitters in all different colors. I feel like these colors are a bit more pastel-y than the colors in the rest of the kit, but there's some stars and then a lot of miniature stars. Yeah, these are so pretty. And there's a pink zipper, guys. This might be the or one of the favorite pouches ever that I've received in a little bits box. I just love this. And also has a little tag here. Oh, that's new. That's nice. She's really updated her branding. I really like that. So yeah, this, I like the size. I actually used the one from, I think it was last month, so November, to store my Tombow pens when I was traveling, because my regular pencil cases wouldn't fit, but it did fit in this. I think this might be the same size, so that's good. And I love all the pink. Gosh, I'm usually not this excited about the pouches, but this time I really, really am. So that is just awesome. And then we have... Here is the TN, and you can barely see it because it's a clear one once again. So let's see if I can get it out. It is an A6 once again, and like I said, it's clear, so... Well, it doesn't really work that well like that, but the insert is also supposed to go in here. Usually it's already in the planner, you know, when we receive it. I don't know why it wasn't this time. Doesn't really matter, it's very easy to put in yourself. I'm just curious. Either way, so you can have it like this, and like you saw, you know, it's a bunch of clouds and unicorns. Did I say it was A6? Yeah, it's A6. So yeah, that is the planner, or the TN I should say. Okay, so then, oh yes, okay, so these are usually, I might actually like that it's not all put together, because if it's been put this way for a long time, it could like be bent, kind of. Same with these, but these are the A6 dashboards. So you just use these in here as well. Like I said, I actually like that they're not put together because they're like unused in a way. And I kind of like to be able to do it myself. So we also have the papers, yay! The papers are always one of my favorite, which I love to make dashboards or dividers out of. This is the first one, and it's actually the same pattern that the planner has, except, you know, this one's clear and this one's on white. The back, ooh, this is really nice. I really like this rainbow. And then we have this pattern. Oh, I love these balloons. They're so cute. Look at the faces. Adorable. It's actually the same unicorn as this one, so these are very similar. And the back, ooh, rainbow polka dots. I love that ombre. And this is the third and final regular paper, I believe. We have these gorgeous floral arrangements. Oh yeah, the hearts go this way, so it's meant to go this way. I do like, actually I prefer when the papers are designed to go this way. I've said it before, I think, just because like you can cut it this way. In most planners, you know, the size are like this and not, you know, like that. So I feel like you get more pages or dashboards or dividers out of it if you can cut it this way. So horizontally is what I'm trying to say. That's the bag. Ooh, nice bright yellow, which with a bunch of little like bow ties almost. That's really cute. Really simple, but I really like the simplicity of it too. Matches it really well too, I realize, with this yellow floral here. And then we have the specialty papers, always some of my favorites. So first we have the acetate. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm actually gonna take this so you can see a little better. So it's clear, of course, but it has the rainbow foiling once again, which is gorgeous. It says life is colorful with you, and there's some foiled mini flowers and the floral arrangement, which is super pretty. I love Lhey special papers. I feel like I use them the most almost out of everything in the box because you can use them and mix them and match into different setups, and yeah, I love that. So that was the acetate. Here we have the vellum, which is the same as that one paper we had, except that it has gorgeous rainbow foiled unicorns on it. I might like this version better. Maybe just because it's foiled, but you know, are you gonna blame me? I don't think so. Alright guys, so that was the December Little Bits box. So colorful and happy, and I love it so much. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and to also see you next time. Bye for now!